Today I'm going to show you how to fix the time on Windows 11 when it keeps changing even though it's in the right time zone. Now this could happen for a variety of different reasons. For me, it keeps happening every time I go into Linux through recovery mode and then go into Windows 11 right after a restart. Now I can't actually access my Linux side of my computer without going into recovery mode, which is an issue that I'm sure at some point in the future I'll do a video on how to fix. I just quite haven't figured it out yet. But for whatever reason, when I go into Linux through recovery mode and then go into Linux, it's at the correct time, and then I restart my computer, go to Windows, and it's 3 hours ahead. I'm going to show you an easy fix for this. So if it's 3 hours ahead suddenly, even though it's in the same time zone, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the time and right click on it, and then go to adjust date and time. Now all you're going to do is turn off set time automatically. So it still says 2:23 a.m. and then you're going to turn on set time automatically again. And that should automatically set it back to the right time. Now it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to do this every time I go from Linux to Windows, so I'm hoping I'll come up with a better fix in the future, but for now this is my easy fix.